Students, today we are going to study to find the product of the sum of same two terms. Like here it is given a plus b into a minus b. These two binomials, if you multiply them by a normal multiplication method, you will reach to a square minus b square. So this becomes your identity 3. That is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This identity you have to note down in your copies. And now we will do some applications related to these identities. Now look at exercise 5G. Here you are given find the following products. Now you have to apply the same identity in all, and you have to find the products, like it is x plus 2 into x minus 2. So we'll apply the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b. Here in place of a you have x and in place of b you have 2. So a square is x square, b square is 2 square, so your answer is x square minus 4. Only one step solution. Now I have done third one, 5 plus 9m into 5 minus 9m. Again they are same terms, only the plus and minus is different. So again we will use the same identity. In place of a you will write 5, in place of b you will write 9m and you will square them. Now I have done fifth one, 2 upon 5 ab minus c and 2 upon 5 ab plus c. So in place of a you have 2 upon 5 ab and in place of b you have c. So a square minus b square. So 2 upon 5 will become 4 upon 25 a square b square and c square will remain same. This is how you are going to find the products by using these identities. Now let us come to the second question. The second question, here it is given a plus 1, a minus 1, plus 1. Now here you are given 3 terms. Now how we will use the identity? Take first two terms, that they are same and only the difference is the sign. A plus minus 1 I have taken in a big bracket and a square plus 1 I have taken outside. So here we will put the identity a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. I have not disturbed this. So a square minus 1 and a square plus 1. Again this have turned into the identity, that is a minus b into a plus b. So again a square minus b square, that is a raised to 4 minus 1. Now I have solved fourth one. Second and third you will solve on your own. It is in the same way. See again x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus 1 upon x cube and x raised to 6 plus 1 upon x raised to 6. Simply you can see that we will put these two in a big bracket and we will apply the identity of a square minus b square. Now again you have got a plus b, a minus b, a plus b type. So again you will apply the identity a square minus b square and you will reach to the answer. Now third question is, using the identity for difference of two squares, find the values of 18 minus 22. Now you have to use the identity for difference of two squares. That means you cannot multiply directly. Okay, you have to use the identity. So 18 and 22. We can write 18 as 20 minus 2 and 22 as 20 plus 2. So this numbers have turned into a minus b, a plus b type. So we will apply the identity a square minus b square. So 400 minus 4 is 396. Now I have done third one. Let me tell you the second one also. 101 into 99. So we will break it as 100 plus 1 and here 100 minus 1 and apply the identity of a plus b, a minus b. I have done this one. Third one, 84 square minus 76 square. Here we are using the identity in reverse order. That means a square minus b square is given. So we will factorize it as a plus b, a minus b. We have to see the question and think that identity is used in which form. That means in factor form or the square form. Okay. So here we have to use it in the factors form. A square minus b square is given, so we will break it as a plus b, a minus b. Here you will get 160, here you will get 8, multiply them and your answer is here. Now fourth question. Here it is given, find the value of x where 13x is equal to 58 square minus 45 square. So here it is a square minus b square. So we will put the factor form, that is a plus b, a minus b. Here 13x we will write as it is. So it is 103, it is 13. So here when we transfer 13 to this side, it will come in division form, that is upon. 103 into 13 upon 13. 13 by 13 is cancelled. So you are getting 103 as your answer. Now we will come to fifth question. Again here question is given, you have to use the identity to find the product. You are not going to multiply directly. Here 179 is 2 times, so 179 whole square, and 21 is also 2 times, so square. A square minus b square, again a plus b, a minus b. Here it is 200, here it is 158, multiply them and you will get the answer. Second one, here it is 1.62, 2 times, so whole square, 0.38 whole square. A plus b, a minus b. Here on adding these two you will get 2, and subtracting these two you will get 1.24. On multiplying these two you will get the answer. Now third one, 297 into 297 minus 203 into 203 upon 94. So 297 square, 203 square upon, in the question it is given 94 is equal to 297 minus 203. Here see, in the hint it is given. So we are going to use this hint and we will replace 94 by 297 minus 203. Now here these two brackets are simply cancelled. 297 minus 203, 297 minus 203. So only this is left, so we'll add and your answer is there. Now fourth question, 23.71 square, 16.29 square, and denominator is 0.742. Now a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. On adding you get 40, on subtracting you are getting 7.42. Now see here, it is 7.42 and it is 0.742. If we divide this 0.742 by 10, you will get 7.42. So on dividing, that means here you can multiply on top also. So these two become the same, and 40 into 10 is equal to 400. With this we are completing the chapter number 5. You have to write and learn all the identities properly, and you can take the help of solved examples in case you feel any difficulty. Thank you.